Hello first class, this is your Small World tutorial for Monday the 25th of January. This is a page that I wanted to do with you guys after Christmas, and it'll be remote, but I think you guys will get on with it quite well. It's going to be fun to keep track of the weather for the week. So we're going to take a look at different types of weather, and we're going to fill in a chart every day. There's three little spots. There's morning, after break, and after lunch. And you'll be doing it for Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday. And I can't wait to see kind of what your results are. I'm curious to see if they should all match up pretty close because you all live so close together. But I'm curious to see what you think is different or what's the same. So we have these pictures to record the weather for 5 days. We have sunny, light rain, this picture here, overcast, darker cloud, snow showers. I think you might see a few of those this week. Sleet also, very similar to snow showers. Sleet is the same. It just has a bit of rain mixed in with the snow. When they say snow showers here, they just mean snow. Heavy rain, might see a bit of that too. Cloudy, definitely going to see some of that. Sunny with light clouds and scattered clouds. So it's up to you kind of what you think for the, let's say for today, for Monday, for the morning, what you think is scattered clouds might be what someone else thinks is cloudy, or what someone else thinks is dark clouds, overcast. It's really up to you. Maybe you think that it's got light rain. Somebody else might say, oh, it's more like heavy rain to me. So I'm curious to see what you each think of that. So fill it in the morning, after break, and after lunch. And this will be something that you'll do throughout the week as the days go on. And then at the end of it, on Friday, you can say how many days were cloudy, how many days were sunny, how many days were windy, rainy, snowy, and so on. Down here, just to let you know, sleet is a mixture of snow and rain. We were just talking about that up there. I also want you to do page 23, if it'll load for me. Read the weather forecast and fill in the table. This is a map of Ireland. Okay, and you'll notice just here in the middle is where you are, Westmeath. Okay, so that's your county. I am all the way over here right now. I'm in Meath. But we should have, because we're very close, we should have very similar weather this week. So read the weather forecast and fill in the table. We'll take a quick look at the two boxes here, the hot science. Lightning can hit the same place more than once, even during the same storm. There's an old saying that says lightning never strikes twice, which is a lovely saying, but it's not true in it's not true in terms of lightning, and that's why they're saying it can hit more than once. Also, some hot history here. Windmills were once used to grind wheat to make flour, and now we use them to make electricity. So the wind blows the windmill, turns it around, that generates electricity inside, um, like a dynamo. If any of you have a dynamo to light up your bicycle, I doubt that you probably do though. So for Cork, down here, this is Cork. It is sunny. So for Wexford, you're going to have to find Wexford on the map. Is it up north? Is it down south? Is it up here in the north? Is it down in the south? Is it in the west? Is it in the east? You'll have to look through all the counties and find where Wexford is. Same goes for Dublin, Donegal, Mayo, and Antrim. Okay, so I want you to find out what the weather is like in each of these counties: Cork, Wexford, Dublin, Donegal, Mayo, and Antrim. And also, I think you'll enjoy looking at the map as well of our different counties. Finally, I want you to do page 24. Now, if this seems like a lot of work just for a Monday, it's not just for a Monday. This is kind of our Monday and Tuesday work. I know I give work on a Monday and I give work on a Wednesday, but you'll be doing the weather chart for the whole week, like we do our weather chart in October in class, and you will also be doing this on on various days. But because of the way things have worked out, we're very far behind on our Small World, so we'll be doing a good bit of Small World in the next week or two, the next few weeks to catch up. So this is again in the theme of weather, and we're talking about science today. The Sahara Desert. Okay, so the Sahara Desert is in Africa. So Ireland is all the way up here, and we're very small. If you notice, that map from the previous page is Ireland. That's the whole of Ireland. That's the whole of Westmeath there in Ireland. And you know how big Westmeath is when you're actually driving around it, and how big Ireland is. Well, Ireland altogether is that size compared to Africa. Africa is a continent like our continent, which is Europe. This is Europe up here, and this is Africa down here. And the Sahara Desert is a desert which is a dry area, and it takes up the whole of North Africa up here. The Sahara Desert takes up this whole area here. It takes up many different countries. And I want you to read the word box here. We have hot, sand, plants, and desert. And I want you to read this passage here and try to fill it in for me, please. Okay. I will. I'll quickly read it to you now, and you can practice your reading when you have it yourself. The Sahara is the largest hot something in the world. It is in the north of Africa. It hardly ever rains there. It is very something and dry, and there is lots and lots of something. Very few something grow in the Sahara Desert. Now there's some clues in the pictures, and there's some clues here. You can fill that in for me. Look at this picture of a field in Ireland and use the word box to fill in the blanks. So we have rains, rivers, island, and trees. Ireland is an something. It something a lot here. The weather is cool and wet. You will find lots of lakes and something. Grass, something, and plants grow here. Okay, so in your project copy, you brought it home with you. I want you to write a couple of differences between Ireland and the Sahara Desert. Now, guys, this is a lot more than work this week than you did before, but I think you're well able for it, and give it your best try, and don't worry about getting it all done today. You do not have to get it all done today. You have the week to do this stuff. Okay, so best of luck with it, and I can't wait to see what you think of it, guys. Slán.